up? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what 3 different rocks look like under a microscope. So to start it off, I'm going to be looking at this little piece of mica, followed by this piece of geode crystal, and my personal favorite, the Mars rock. Now, I want to give you guys a little bit of backstory on how I got this Mars rock. And so basically, I got this from NASA at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. This rock was, there was like a meteor named NWA 13187, and it was injected from Mars after an asteroid impact before falling to Earth in the Sahara Desert. Now, the meteorite this came on was called the Martin meteorite, and it was signed by a world-famous meteorite hunter and TV host. And it is authenticated. That's what that signature is for. And yeah, it's 100% real. Really cool backstory. Let's see what it looks like under a microscope. So that wraps up my video. If you have any more questions about the Mars rock, mica, or the small piece of crystals, let me know. And let me know what you guys want the next rock to be looked at under a microscope. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.